There's no gum on here. Okay, let's see what this stuff does. I'm gonna brush this off one more time. Okay, and let's give ourselves a little bit smaller piece to deal with. This roll is like 20 something feet long. We're going to go from here, give yourself some extra, to here, give yourself some extra, kind of down here somewhere. Okay. And then I want to cut off, you know, that much all the way down. Can be broad, who cares? Because we're going to cut it back anyways. Okay. We're still over here dealing with this crap. Okay. So now I'm just going to, still too long. So my plan was that I wanted to, once I get it on, I was going to cut in, you know, and like peel it back, but I'm kind of thinking that I may just want to get it to be more exact. So if I do it like that, and then I can use my razor in advance, because I can already see the corner here. I don't think, well, once I get it on there, I'm not really going to be able to see the corner anymore. So I'm going to do it blind ahead of time, which is what it is. I've also got 20 something feet of it, so I can just do it again. Okay. Looks pretty good. We can always shave off some when we're done. And then once we get it on here, we're just going to cut, we're going to guide the razor around through here and cut this all off of here, because I'm certainly not doing that in advance. So, clean my fingers off real quick. All right, let's try it. Yay. Okay, got it. So don't have to do the whole thing. This stuff's pretty nice, huh? Comes on pretty easy. Oops. I'm all quiet because I'm trying to concentrate. Quiet is okay. I'm gonna be talking the whole time like most people do on YouTube. Sometimes it's nice just to be quiet. So we're not lined up all the way because that was a long piece, so I'm just going to get over it. And we can always work with that later. So notice I didn't even put it on straight first place. It's underneath the machine. Don't worry about it too much. Okay, and we can still see this little edge here. That was my plan initially, and then I got fancy and thought that I was going to cut it in advance. And if it doesn't look good when I'm all done, then we'll just cut it off. So you can do something like, I guess we could use like a flippin', you know, it's kind of cool here. This plastic razor, but this thing here, that actually be a good way of getting on this edge here. That's the part that I need to cut. Can't believe I missed it by that much. Not something I do every day. All right. Okay, save that. And then we have this whole bit go all the way down here. I don't want to cut it where I'm not seeing it as I cut it, so I'm going to start over here so I can pull my cut, and then I can kind of better see what I'm doing as I go. I really thought this would stay in the groove right here, even though it's pretty flush. Seems like it's doing it though, staying in the groove. Not going to save that one. Okay. Wash that off later. Okay. I'm left-handed, so oh well. This is what we're doing. Okay. You know, these pieces right here are like the exact same size as the piece that I missed, but it's already got wood coming off on it. So anyways, we'll go with that. We just gotta jam these holes out. Okay. Pretty good. And this is all the while our fancy plastic wood is drying. Who knows? Somebody knows how that's going to turn out. But anyways, let's do this part here. I got this junk in here. We might have to wait. Yeah, we'll do that another time. All right, well, that's where we're at. So we're going to stop for now. Got that on there. It's pretty cool. Did it all in one shot. Not too bad. And then we'll do this with the same stuff. After this all dries, we'll come back and we'll sand all this. And then we'll do the decals on the front and sides, and our box will be done. So see y'all next time.